BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sarda has slammed the Congress party for attempting to mislead the public regarding benefits of VB Ramji scheme. In a press conference held today at Thambal Shanglen Nityapa Chuthek, in presence of VB Ramji Public Campaign Northeast in charge Dr. Sambhu Kumar and party Vice President C.H. Dananda, A. Sarda asserted that VB Ramji has been upgraded to align with the aspirations of Viksit Bharat 2047. She highlighted that the renamed scheme consists of core theme of reach from Parliament to Panchayat, a step which was taken to provide more power to Panchayat level decision making. Regarding the allegations of change in the number of days and wages, she clarified that VB Ramji provides for 125 guaranteed working days, which gives an additional 25 days more than the earlier 100 days provisioned in MG Narega scheme. She also added that with the increase in number of working days, it is only natural for their wages to follow accordingly, while criticizing the Congress party for spreading misinformation. Furthermore, to prevent fraudulence in work allocation and claim of wages, she remarked that the upgraded scheme incorporates geospatial technology, real-time tracking and biometric authenticated transaction for a comprehensive and precise system. She added that all the details of the scheme can be attained from its website and urged people not to fall for propaganda.
Viksit Bharat ki pandam mamalay masigi pandam sidai sida koigi scheme sina yamna maru oiba role ama oirakadune kaidau ngai da so koina panchayat area si develop tawdragadi habadi lairiba kungang singsi ekoi saukhatpagi thakta pukhalakta bataragadi koi matau kramai tawdana bharat chaukatle haiduino adudi Viksit Bharat ama oiraknaba hotnabada first aujik priority se koigi panchayat si chaukhat hanba haibase masigi mieng sineba muklais VB Ramji hariba scheme sina kayam yamna koida kanaba pigadage haibase koi future gi oina yamna long vision da 2047 gi target chi tawrakana semak papot ne any thabak si tawbakana mafam amada hanjan akoi gi photo lauraga ekta thabi yummak ta sabo orju amagi ju patau ta toksan na ba yabagi mong dona tawramba potse masi yaroi doine